My name is Marty Van Weinsberg. I'm the field superintendent for Edward Rose & Sons. We're at the Uptown Square Apartments in Troy. We've taken an empty lot and transforming it into multiple family housing apartments. And right now the stage is phase 1. We have 3 different carpentry crews. We have one crew on building 1 that's putting the roof trusses on it. Building 2, we are framing the walls on the 2nd floor. And then we go over to building 3, and we have a separate crew that is setting the floor trusses and applying plywood for the decking. We've just started the demo of an old FedEx warehouse. Once we get that demoed, then they'll start issuing permits for 6 buildings to put up back there, plus a maintenance building.